Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration how to reset the sunroof on a BMW. This particular car I am working with here today is a 1997 BMW 540i. You may notice the sunroof does not operate correctly, isn't operating at all, or isn't sitting level. A reset procedure is then required in order to help the sunroof operate correctly. The vehicle doesn't need to be running, but you will need to be in the accessories position where the sunroof can be operated. Tilt the sunroof up. This is done by pressing the button in. Continue to hold in the switch for about 20 seconds after the sunroof has tilted open. The sunroof should tilt up for a second, and once that has happened, the reset procedure has been completed and you can let go of the switch. New videos are uploaded every week to my channel, so subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking on the button below the video. This concludes the rest of my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please feel free to post them. Thank you for watching.